This cold front will be putting down this jet stream. A huge storm will be impacting a large portion of the U.S. tonight. So make sure to be prepared for one of the most deadliest storms in history. As a level 5 high risk,
We interrupt this station with severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for portions of Colorado, Texas, South Dakota, North Dakota, Wisconsin, Illinois, and Mississippi. And for the states of Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Iowa. Effective until 2 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Central Saline County and Central Kansas. Effective until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At around 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of West Fall, or 10 miles west of Brookville, heading east at 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris is expected, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and penny-size hail. The storm will be near Brookville, Glendale, Bavaria, Phelan, Trenton, and Salina from 1:05 p.m. to 1:25 p.m.
And welcome to the KKCW team. Today we have a lot of tornado warnings. And I mean a lot. I'm not even going to get to the intro. This is just horrifying. For those affected, please get into deep shelter now. As we see right now, we have several tornadoes.
James,
What?
there's a tornado coming towards us.
Oh my god. We have to take shelter. Everyone, please take shelter now. Alright, we...
Hello.
John, get to the station now. We have a code red.
Why? What's wrong?
John, there's a tornado like. I don't know, it's near you.
Aller Mark, I'm going back to the station.
Melissa, did you hear what's happening in Kansas?
Yay, I did.
Melissa, what's that?
That's the storm, I think. That is horrifying.
Oh dear God. It's coming for us now. We are in a moderate risk. Half of the city is in a high, moderate, and enhanced risk. Okay, Melissa, we start national news in about an hour. Should we hit lunch?
Yay, sure.
All right, let's go.
Tornado emergency for St. Louis. Tornado emergency for St. Louis. Until 7 p.m. A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following states. East Missouri, West Illinois. Effective until 7 p.m. A strong and dangerous thunderstorm is moving east at 30 miles per hour and will be bringing tornadoes, strong winds, possible large hail to teacup size. Please make sure you are taking shelter. National Weather Service spotters are seeing this storm to destroy towns, houses, and possibly the whole city of St. Louis. Please do not attempt to pick up family from schools or nursing homes. This is a mass casualty situation. For those who live in or around St. Louis, take shelter now. Take shelter now.
Okay, Kristen, I will throw the coverage back to you until we get something.
Thank you, Luke. Okay, everyone, there are no tornado warnings in our coverage area. So we are good. We just lost signal. Now, the National Guard do not have the official damage or death toll yet. It will probably take a week for it to be official. As viewers may know, we lost signal, I think it was 5 hours ago. But we are still waiting on the power. One of our reporters, Will Dickerson, is live. Will, do you have any new information?
Thank you, Kristen. But no, I have not gotten any new words yet. I'm standing right here on West 47th Street and County Line Road. I'm looking at Waterstone Apartments and oh my goodness. They look terrible. This is one of the places where a tornado struck. Like it is really messed up.
So Will, as you know, we don't have any live feed right now. Can you tell us what the damage looks like?
All I see is literally like a construction site with a lot of debris. So many cars damaged. And massive flooding. And I believe there are bodies in the rubble of the apartments. This is the area where emergency responders could not go due to flooding and debris blocking the road. Instead, there are police and medical helicopters here instead of cars or trucks. And we flew in one of them that led us here.
You are correct. Will, if you'll excuse us a moment. About an hour ago, the president was heard of the storm that just happened here and in the United States. He will be giving a speech in about a couple seconds. To recap what just happened here and around the country. There had been dozens of deaths and injured people in the United States. We just got the number of tornadoes down. There were a total of 103 tornadoes in a single storm. That's how big and strong it was. Okay, we are receiving word that the president is ready to give the speech. We are now going live to the White House. Please stand by.
My fellow Americans, after what just happened in the Central Plains and parts of the Ohio Valley, I will be addressing this speech. After what I just heard of what just happened, I feel really sorry of those who are affected right now. The storm has torn apart our country and left dozens of lost lives and dozens of residents without homes. Me and us here at the White House will be sending National Guard and emergency personnel to the following states: Kansas, Illinois, Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota, Arkansas, and Mississippi. But this great country will never die. Even though a portion of our country were under severe storms and debris sites, we must help those in need. This country is still alive, and I will try to make this country better than it was before. Thank you, and God bless America and those who were affected tonight.